school, and I'm way up here on a house, and I was doing some repair work. Well, on this house, I was trapping on the other side, and I never had to get up on the roof. There was a spot where the squirrels were getting in and out, and I think I caught about 5 squirrels. And the customer wanted me to repair that spot. So I was doing the repair work, but I had to get up on the roof up high to close up a spot. And when I was looking across the roof, because it was the first time I had looked across the roof, I happened to see that. This is terrible. None of that damaged wood frame chimney can be seen from the ground. Okay, from the ground, this is what you see. Everything looks fantastic from here. Nothing wrong. That side, the other side, and the front side are all in excellent condition. As you can see, we got roof here, roof here, roof here, and you can't see it unless you're way up here on the peak. So this was a surprise when I got up on the roof. And this is just terrible. This needs completely rebuilt. So here's the roof blocking the view. But notice there's a little alcove right here. So the rain comes down, and then the rain hits the back of the chimney. However, with all the leaves and the grass and stuff, it's slowing the water down. This is the flashing designed to deflect the water. And it's supposed to deflect it around the chimney, but look at this over here, how they seamed it. Well, when the water comes down, it's going to go around the edge of that metal, and that's what has happened. Right there, that 2x4 stud is rotted. So if they had somehow deflected the water around this, none of this would be damaged and falling apart. But they didn't flash it in the corner properly, and now the critters are here. And we know we got critters here because there's a raccoon paw print, there's a paw print, and we got the scratches inside on the material. We got scratches here on the material, scratches here. It's a bad deal. So we're going to talk to the customer about this, and if we have the time, maybe we can help them out. If not, we'll refer them to a carpenter, because this whole thing is going to have to be taken apart and put back together. The cardboardy material is Celotex. It is completely rotted, and the Celotex that is behind the siding looks completely rotted. So it is a bad deal. Thank you.